Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. So this is the roof with the ceiling of the storage shed that my dad and I, and my brother, we built many years ago. But you can see it's got a pretty low pitch, so you know, the water has infiltrated through the felt, and so what we're gonna do today is try and fix this problem from the top. Okay, this is the view from the top. This is the top of the roof. You can see it's pitched in two directions. So what we're gonna have to do is we're gonna be repairing it using these single ply stick and peel and stick. But before doing so, we have to clean the surface off. So I'm using the giant blower to clean it up a little bit. All right, before I put the camera on the tripod, so we've got two pitches here. The pitches to the east on this side and it pitches to the west. So what we'll have to do is we'll have to run a course at the bottom on this side and then start running courses starting from the bottom and work our way up. At the very top, the piece over the peak will drape over the two sides and create a water seal. All right, here it is. It took full 2 rolls to cover this roof. It's pitched this way for 3 courses, 1, 2, 3, and it's pitched this way for 2 courses. And over here at the apex, we have a kind of like a lapping piece to cover both sides. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 courses of approximately, let's say 16 or 20 feet. So yeah, this is a very neat product and I highly recommend it if you don't enjoy doing roof work. I hope this helps you. Good luck.